Peace. I come in the name of Arkil, Allah himself. Today I want to quote to y'all my 1 through 14, which is known as the Lost and Found Lesson number 1. Question number 1. Why isn't the devil set on the best part of the planet Earth? Answer. Because the earth belongs to the original man. And knowing that the devil is weak and wicked, there will not be any peace amongst them. So he set him out on the worst part and kept the best part preserved for himself ever since he made it. The best part is in Arabia, at the holy city of Mecca. The color man or Caucasian is the devil. Arabia is in the far east and is bordered by the Indian Ocean on the south side. Number 2, why did Muzai have a hard time civilizing the devil in the year 2000 BC? Answer. Because he was a savage. Savage is the person who has lost all knowledge of himself and is living the beast life. Muzai was a half original man and a prophet. 2000 BC means before Christ. In the Asiatic world, it was in the year 11,000. To civilize means to teach the knowledge and wisdom of the human families of the planet Earth. Number 3, why do we let a half original man like Columbus discover the poor part of the planet Earth? Answer. Because the original black man is God and owner of the earth and knows every inch of it and has chosen for himself the best part. He does not care about the poor part. Columbus was a half original man who was born in Italy, which is in Southeast Europe. His full name was Christopher Columbus, and the place he discovered was North America. Here he found Indians here who were exiled from India 16,000 years ago. They are also original. Number 4, why do we run Yaqub and his maid devils from the root of civilization across the hot Arabian desert into the caves of West Asia, as they now call it Europe? What is the meaning of you and rope? How long ago? And what did the devil bring with him? What kind of life did he live in? And how long before Muzai came to teach the devil of their forgotten trick knowledge? Answer. Because they started causing trouble among the righteous people, accusing the righteous people of telling lies, causing them to fight and kill one another. Yaqub was an original black man and the father of the devil. He taught them to do this devilish man. The root of civilization is in Arabia, at the holy city of Mecca, where the knowledge and wisdom of the original man started when the planet was first found. We took from them everything except their language and made them walk every step of the way. It was 2,200 miles. He went savage and lived in the caves of West Europe. He went savage and lived in the caves of Europe. U means hillside, and the rope is the rope to bind them in. It was 6,919 years ago. Muzai came 2,000 years later and taught him how to live a respectable life and how to build a home for himself, and some of the forgotten trick knowledge that Yaqub taught him, which was devilish man, telling lies, stealing, and how to master the original man. Muzai was a half original man and a prophet, which was predicted by the 23 black scientists in the year 1, 15,919 years ago. Number 5, why did we take Jerusalem from the devil? How long ago? Answer. Because one of our righteous brothers, who was a prophet by the name of Jesus, was buried there. They used his name to shield their dirty religion, which was called Christianity, also to deceive the people so they would believe in him. Jesus' teaching was not Christianity. It was freedom, justice, and equality. Jerusalem is in Palestine, in the Asia Minor. Jerusalem is a name given by the Jews, which means founded in peace. And it was first built by the original man, who called it Jubis, also Salam and Ariel. We took the city from the devils about 750 years ago. Number 6, why did the devil keep our people illiterate? Answer. So that he can use them as a tool and also a slave. He keeps them blind to themselves so that he can master them. Number 7, why does the devil call our people Africans? Answer. To make our people in North America believe that the people of that continent are the only people that they have, and they are all savages. The devil bought a trading post in the jungles of that continent. The original people lived on that continent. They are the ones who strayed away from civilization and are living a jungle way of life. The original people called this continent Asia, but the devil called it Africa to try to divide us. He wants us to think that we are all different. Number 8. Why does the devil keep our people apart from his social equality? Answer. Because he does not want us to know how filthy he is in all of his affairs. He is afraid because when we learn about him, we will run him from among us. Social means to advocate a society of man or group of man for one common cause. Equality means to be equal in everything. Number 9. Why does Muhammad make the devil study for 35 to 50 years before he can call himself a Muslim son and wear the greatest and only flag of the universe? And why must he add a sword to the upper part of the holy and greatest universal flag of Islam? Answer. So that he can clean himself up. A Muslim does not love the devil regardless of how long he studies. As he has gone through 35 to 50 years trying to learn to do like the original man, he can come among us and do trading, and we will not kill him as quick or fast as we would the other devils. That is, those who have not gone under the study. After he goes through with the labor of studying for 35 to 50 years, we permit him to wear our holy flag, which is the sun, moon, and star. He must add a sword to the upper part of the holy flag. The sword is an emblem of justice, and it was used by the original man in Muhammad's time. Thus, it was placed on the upper part of the flag so that the devil can always see it, so that he can always keep in mind that any time he reveals the secret, his head will be taken off by the sword. We gave him this chance that he could clean himself up and come among us. See, the holy flag of Islam is the greatest and only flag known. The universe is everything. Sun, moon, and stars, they are planets. Planets are something grown and made from the beginning. And holy is something that has not been diluted, mixed, or tampered with in any shape, form, or fashion. Number 10. Why did Muhammad and any Muslim murder the devil? What is the duty of each Muslim in regards to the 4 devils? What reward did each Muslim receive by having them presenting 4 devils' heads at one time? Answer. Because he is 100% weak and wicked and will not keep and obey the laws of Islam. His ways and actions are like those of a snake of the grafter type. So Muhammad learned that he could not reform the devil, so they had to be murdered. All Muslims will murder the devil, and they know he is a snake. Also, if allowed to live, he will only sting someone else. Each Muslim is required to bring 4 devils' heads. And by having him presenting 4 devil's heads at one time, his reward was the button to wear the lapel of his coat. Also, free transportation to the holy city of Mecca to see their brother Muhammad. Number 11. Have you not learned that your word is bond, regardless of whom or what? Yes, my word is my bond, and my bond is my life, and I shall give my life before my word shall fail. Number 12. What is the meaning of FOI? Answer. The fruit of Islam. This is the name given to the military trained man who belonged to Islam in North America. Number 13. What is the meaning of Lieu and Cap? Answer. Captain, Lieutenant. The duty of the captain is to give orders to the lieutenant, and the lieutenant's duty is to teach and train the private soldiers. Number 14. What is the meaning of MGT and GCC? Answer. Muslim Girl Training and General Civilization Class. This is the name given to the training of women and girls in North America who belong to Islam, teaching them how to keep a house, how to rear their children, how to take care of their husbands, sew, cook, and in general how to act at home and abroad. These training units were named by our prophet and leader, W.D. Farr. Peace.